If you want to monetize your Facebook page fast within the shortest time, then one strategy you can use is the Facebook ads strategy. You can use the Facebook ads to target your ideal followers. These people are going to follow your page, watch your videos, engage on your videos, and with that, you can be able to meet up the monetization requirements. So if you're interested in learning how to run Facebook ads to boost your Facebook page followers and video views, then you need to watch this video to the end. Without wasting time, let's dive in. Log in your Facebook account. At the left hand side here, scroll down, you will see more here. Click on this drop down button, and right here is Ads Manager. Click on Ads Manager. It will take you to your Meta Ads Manager dashboard. To set up your Facebook ads for page followers, click on this Create button here. This pop-up will show like this. Here you have to select your campaign objective. So the best campaign objective for Facebook page followers campaign is the engagement objective. So right here, click on engagement and select the continue button down here. It will open up like this. Here you have to choose your campaign setup. This particular one is already a template that has been set for you by Meta, but the disadvantage of this particular template is that you will not be able to change the settings the way you want. So I prefer you select manual engagement campaign. So I'll select this one and click on the continue button below. It will open up like this to the 3 levels of setting up ad. We have the campaign level, ad set, and the ad level. Here, come to this campaign name, just edit the campaign name. I will use followers, right? Because I am running this ad for followers. I like using the name of what I am promoting as my campaign name. So I will just put followers here. So I will just copy this because I'll paste it later. Okay, that is all I need to do here. Below here, you will see the next button. Click on next. You will also need to input your ad set name. Remember, I copied that campaign name, so I will just paste it here. Then the next thing is conversion location. You can see that the default conversion location here is message destination, but I don't want to use message destination. Okay, now I will click on this particular edit button here to change this conversion destination. Scroll down. We are setting up this Facebook ad to get Facebook page followers. Okay, so because of that, I will select the second one that says on your ad. Below it, you will see get people to watch a video or interact with your post or events. Remember, we want to get a lot of followers so that we can monetize our Facebook page and start making money on Facebook. So select this one on your ad. After selecting on your ad, scroll down. The next thing is engagement type. I want to use video, so I will select video views as my engagement type. If you scroll down, the next thing is performance goal, and I want maximize through play views. So leave it like that. Scroll down. Cost per result goal, leave it empty. Don't fill anything there. Scroll down. The next thing you need to set is your budget and schedule. Under budget, I will prefer to use 2,000 naira. As at the time of recording this video, 2,000 naira is still a good budget for followers. Then scroll down and you will see your start date and end date. I want to run this advert for 1 week, so I'll click on end date. I'll set my end date. To set your end date, calculate how many days from the day that the ad is starting. So my own ad is starting from 20th of June, and 1 week from that date is 26th of June. So I will select 26th. I want it to end by 11:55 p.m. So I will set it to 11:55 p.m. Okay, scroll down and let's go to audience controls. For audience controls, this simply means people that you want to see your ad. This particular page is for content creation. We want to monetize this page. Okay, so the kind of people who want to see our ads are random people who are interested in entertainment content. Okay, the location here is Nigeria. We want to focus on Nigeria because our budget is small, which is 2,000 naira. So I will edit locations here. I don't just want to select majorly Nigeria. I want to select specific cities that I know that people there will have data to watch my videos. So I'll click on this edit button here. Okay, then I will come to search locations. I will focus on Ikeja in Lagos. Okay, Ikeja here in Lagos, and I will select Ikeja, Lagos State, Nigeria. Then I will also focus on another place like Ikoyi here, Ikoyi in Lagos State, Nigeria. I'll select Ikoyi. Then I will also select mainland. I'll select Lekki Peninsula and plenty other locations in Lagos. I can just choose Lagos here as the main Lagos city. So anybody that chose Lagos on Facebook, my own ad is going to be visible to that person. So if I just choose Lagos, Lagos State, Nigeria, this one that's showing city here, provided you choose Lagos, you possibly see my ad. That is just for Lagos. I can choose other locations like Owerri, Abuja, Port Harcourt. Okay, choose as many cities as you can. I also choose Asaba here, Benin. Select the cities depending on the kind of content you're creating on your page. If you are somebody that is creating only Yoruba or Hausa speaking content, then just select the Yoruba states. Or if you are creating content that has to do with Hausa speaking language, then select the Hausa speaking states. That will enable you to get a lot of viewers that are going to be watching your videos. After selecting your locations, scroll down and you will see more options. Click on see more options, then go ahead and select the minimum age. I will advise that you leave it at 18 because these people have more time to spend online and these are the people that will watch your content more. Then below it you will see exclude this custom audience, leave it blank, and for languages leave it at all languages. Okay, scroll down, you can go ahead to save the audience so that you can use it later. Just click on this save audience here, give your audience a name, so you can just call it followers audience. Okay, so that you know that you use it to run ad for followers, right? Scroll down and you will see this save button here. Click on save. After saving your audience, scroll down. The next thing is placement. For placement control, I don't want to use automatic placement, so go ahead and click on this edit button here. Scroll down, you will see manual placement. Select manual placement. When you select manual placement, you will see devices here. It is on all devices, but I don't want it like that, so you will see an edit button beside it. Click on this edit button, click on this drop down button here, uncheck desktop because majority of these people that will follow your page are using mobile, they are using phone, so uncheck desktop. Then for platforms, uncheck this messenger, uncheck audience network, also uncheck Instagram. Our budget is small, so let us focus on Facebook, okay, so that we can maximize our daily budget. On this right hand side you will see your estimated daily reach. It is going to reach these people. Then this is the true play you will get, right? That is for the ad sets. Below you will see this next button. Click on next. Go ahead and edit this ad name. Remember we are using followers, right? So I just paste followers there. Then scroll down. The next thing you will see is identity. Here you have to select the page you want to run your ad on. So this is your Facebook page. There's a drop down button here in case you have more than one Facebook page. Like me who has several Facebook pages, I will select the particular Facebook page I want to run my ad. So I want to run the ad on this particular page, so I've selected 𝗟𝗏𝘁 Creative page. Scroll down and you will see ad setup. Normally you are going to see this create ad here, but I want to use an existing post so that that post that is already on my page will have views, right? So click on this drop down button here and you will see use existing content. Click on use existing content. You will see ads creative here, and below that there is a button here, select content. Click on select content. Here you will see all the content that you have on your Facebook page. So since we are using video, you go ahead to select the particular video you want to use. Ensure that you use a good video so that after watching it, people are going to follow your page because that is the aim of this ad. So I will select one of my videos here. Below here you will see this select button. Click on select. Scroll down, you will see call to action button here, add button. When you add a call to action button, you will see learn more button here. Click on this drop down button. I want to use watch more. When you select watch more, below you will see your website URL. Now go back to your page and copy your page link. Use that page link as your website URL. That way after watching this particular video you are using for the ad, they will be directed to your Facebook profile and they'll be able to watch more of your videos and follow your page. This strategy has worked for me very well and it will give you more followers. So I'll come to my Facebook page here and copy my page link, then go back to this place and paste it here where you see website URL. Then click on update post button here. Then scroll down and at the right hand side here you will see the publish button. Ensure that you have money on your ad account before you click on this publish button. If you have any question, please comment below and I'll reply to all your questions. Don't forget to like this video. If you are interested in learning more about Facebook and Instagram ads that convert, then you need to subscribe to this channel if you have not done that. Click on the subscribe button down below and turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss my next Facebook and Instagram ads tutorial.